namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. In the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today what I'm going to do is a collective reading. It's for everyone. It's not a pick a card reading, remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings as well, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I'm calling upon Archangel Michael. So Archangel Michael has a message for you. That is what I'm going to do today. So I have been feeling like doing this reading for a while right now. So I have been seeing a lot of feathers, a lot of birds, so I just felt called to do this reading today. And I feel like many of you have been seeing the number 3 a lot, 333, 777. Maybe this is a sign from Archangel Michael. I feel like that he is telling you that he's with you. Okay, so the numbers 333, 777, or even 222. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. And 1212, that number also for some of you. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna start the video. I'm gonna start with these. So let's see what is the messages from Archangel Michael for you guys right now. What do you need to know? I heard freedom from something. Okay, maybe if you're addicted to something, I feel like you're freeing yourself from that. So it's a change of your habit, and you're feeling free right now. I feel like that. Something, you're freeing yourself from your own thinking patterns, or maybe it's something that you knew that you need to get rid of, and finally you will be able to get rid of. So yeah, there is freedom coming your way. That's what Archangel Michael is telling you right now, and he is helping you with that. Okay, so we have one. Okay, we have Archangel Gabriel also coming, so maybe you work with him also. So maybe for some of you, your throat chakra, you have a problem communicating. So maybe the thing is that freedom, I told you about freedom. So maybe you have something on your chest that you need to say to someone, and finally what is happening is you're able to get that weight off your chest by communicating the things to that person. Like maybe they had done something to you behind your back, and finally you have that courage to confront them, so you can free yourself from all that thinking. So something like that is going to happen. I feel like that, or you have been feeling like that you need to do it. And I feel like it's a message from Archangel Gabriel to do it, to communicate. And I even feel like for some of you, if you're in a relationship, you need to communicate your thoughts to your person. So maybe you are in a relationship where you're not communicating properly, or you're not saying the things that you want to, and because of it you're getting very angry. You know, when we don't communicate things properly, we get angry, we get irritated. So for some of you, feeling that energy. So maybe here Archangel Gabriel is telling you to communicate things in a understanding manner. Okay, in an understanding manner. That is also, don't be very, sometimes we say things in a very puzzled manner. So let them understand what you're telling them. So be very clear with your words. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. And the message here is receive some positive news soon. Yeah, so it's like, you know, sometimes we have that fear, oh, if I confront them, what will happen? So it will be in your favor only, so you don't have to worry too much. Okay, so understand that. Maybe for some of you, it's your boss, you need to communicate some, that maybe you have to you have been doing a lot of work, maybe you need a pay raise. So communicate in an understanding manner. Don't get angry, or don't get don't try to argue. Okay, so that's something is I'm feeling like here. So but you need to let it out also. Don't keep it in your heart. Okay, keep an open heart and speak your truth lovingly without fear, as I told you. That's the thing. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. I will take one more from these. So what Archangel Michael is telling you, and I feel like for some of you, you need to work on your throat chakra also, and call upon Archangel Gabriel as well. Should I do an Archangel Gabriel reading also? If so, comment. Okay. Yeah, look, positive thinking. So you need to communicate this to this person, but you are very, very stressed about it. You are thinking the worst case scenario, like you want to leave for 1 week, maybe you want to go out somewhere, and you want to ask, like you want to convey that to someone, like your boss, but you're very afraid, you're very free, and you're thinking all that negative things. So right now it's important you focus more on the positive thinking. Okay. So here Archangel Michael is telling you, do not fear, okay, do not fear. Without fear, say the things that you want to say. Maybe you have a person who you love, and you have been keeping it in your heart, and your heart is like, maybe they talk to someone and you get jealous, you feel that envy. So it's important to let it out instead of feeling those jealous envy energy, right? It's not good for you. Or maybe you because you're not conveying your thoughts, because of it you are stressing a lot. So it's important to convey those thoughts, okay, in a positive manner, okay, in an understandable manner. If you want to say something to your spouse, don't shout and say something. When we get irritated, we just shout. So just calm yourself and say in a positive, understandable manner. That's something I'm getting here very strongly for some of you. A positive attitude along with positive beliefs and thoughts are important for creative happiness, isn't it? Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. So let's see. So let's start with the cards now. Okay. So I'm just going to keep this one here. So let's see what is the messages from Archangel Michael for my lovies. So what Archangel Michael wants you to know. For some of you, you have a presentation coming. Maybe you're stressed about it. So work on your throat chakra, okay? Light a blue candle, if it's possible, light a blue candle also, and pray and be positive about it. Like for some of you, imagine that you're giving the presentation and it's successful. So imagination is the key for some of you, okay? With positive thoughts, imagination. Be positive, okay? If you have some events coming up, be positive about it. Don't fear. Or maybe for some of you, getting married and you're very, very very, very stressed about that event. Don't be stressed, okay? Just imagine the outcome that you want. Just imagine. Okay. Yeah. Look, we have 2 cards. We have 3 people, sustenance. With this, it's like going out in nature. Like whenever you're feeling a lot of negative thinking, like when you're stressed, just go out in nature. Hug a tree. Connect with your intuition, right? When we are not in touch with our heart, what happens is we stress a lot. We don't know where to go. So when you're feeling like, when you're feeling hopeless, what you need to do is to go out in nature, pray or meditate. If you don't like meditation, just sit or hug a tree, or just if you have a plant in your home, just stare at that plant and look at the beauty of that plant and just touch it. You will get that positive energy, okay? That's something I'm getting. And with this prayer, hope. So as I told you, have to say something. You want to say something to someone. You have certain presentation or some events are coming in your life and you're very stressed about it. Okay, so don't be. Maybe for some of you have a doctor visit also and you're very, very stressed about it. So be hopeful. Be hopeful right now. Don't let that negative thinking creep in. So whenever that happens, Archangel Michael is telling you to pray. Pray to him and let that fear go. When you will pray to him, call upon him, he will help you to cut the cords. He will help you to let you, free. I told you about freedom also, right? So it's like you're freeing yourself from this negative thinking and you're becoming more hopeful. So call upon Archangel Michael for that, and definitely connect with the tree. Go out in nature, relax. Whenever you're feeling so stressed, relax. So you have a presentation coming up, you're stressing about it, you're doing the work, When you're stressing yourself, take a break, go out, take a walk in nature for 15 minutes at least, hug a tree, just look at the nature, get that positive positive energy, and be hopeful, guys. Be hopeful, because everything will be okay. Don't let that hopelessness creep in, okay? Look with the universe. I feel like everything that you want is inside of you. And for some of you, if you're feeling like what I should do next, like what should I do next, so if you're feeling like where you need to go next, if you don't know, just go out, let go, surrender to the divine completely, and be hopeful. Everything you need will be very clear. Like communication from spirit is also happening. I feel like that things are coming to you, you're receiving those messages. So let that hope, keep that hope alive. That's what Archangel Michael is telling. He is with you. Just keep that hope alive, okay? And with this owl also, I feel like for many of you, when you see owl, it's like Archangel Michael is near you, or your passed on loved ones are near you, and they are telling you that you are going to be very clear, like you will get that clarity very soon, okay, very soon. But you need to focus on positive thinking. Yeah, that's the thing you need to do right now. That's what Archangel Michael is telling you. So let's see what else. This is a message for group. No, there is no group, sorry. So let's see what is the message from Archangel Michael. For some of you, there is a group event, or you need to meet up with your friends, or if you have a group of friends who are into meditation, so go out with them, sit down under a tree, meditate. If you have a friend group, call them, okay? Do things with them. Or if you want to lose weight, call your friend group. If there are people who vibe with you, maybe do things together. If it's possible, do things together, okay? Yeah, look, we have spiritual warrior, 37 number. Show you are a wise leader, command the universe. Oh wow, so here Archangel Michael is telling you to give your wishes to the universe and be positive about it, because your wishes are coming true. That's what I'm getting. And with this spiritual warrior, you feel like you're a sheep. You're here to go with the crowd. You're here to do the same things that everyone is doing. No. You are the lion. And you need to understand your power. And I feel like Archangel Michael is telling this fear is the problem right now. If you let go of this fear and be brave and honest, then you will know your own potential. Okay, so right now I feel like you have this potential. You're a strong leader. You know what to do, where to go, but you feel like that you are here to follow people. You like, yeah, you are here. You feel like that you are here to follow people. No, you are here to make people follow you in some way. Okay, you are the leader, but you don't recognize your own talent. So that's why Archangel Michael is telling you to go out whenever you lose hope, whenever you don't know where to go, whenever you like what I am here to do, like whenever you are doubting yourself, go out in nature, connect with nature, and you will understand your own power. So I feel like for many of you, nature will give you so much of courage also. Like whenever you like, don't take your mobile phones or any distractions while you're going out in nature. Just take the people who you love, who have that same vibration, and meditate there. I feel like it will give you so much of clarity. It will you will be able to understand who you are, right? So there is definitely spiritual progress. You have seen a lot, you have experienced a lot, you have so much wisdom to give to other people, but you feel like that you don't have anything. It's just a mere feeling because of your past, because people told you that you're the sheep, you have to go with the crowd, you cannot do things differently, you cannot wear dresses differently. You know, people told you that. That's why you feel like it. And I feel like Archangel Michael is telling you it's the time to cut the cords. It's the time to not take your past baggages with you. Release those things, because understand you have power. And it's not about controlling others. It's like you don't have to control anyone. You're only here to lead people. But what you will have is like you can control your own energy. You will feel powerful. That's what I'm getting here with this lion here. Like lion is not afraid of anyone. There is no fear, right? So I feel like that's what Archangel Michael is telling. You don't have to fear anything or anyone, because universe is with you. All you need to do is to command the universe, say your wishes, and universe will take care of it. But you need to trust it. You need to have that positive thinking. So the fear, you need to let go of that fear. That's what Archangel Michael is telling, and he is here to release those fears. So maybe for some of you are very fearful. You have that talent. You know, you're very good at presenting things, but you're very, very afraid of it. Oh, I might make a mistake. Right? I have done that in past. Let go of that. You can do it. Okay, go for it. So, what else? I'm going to keep it here, okay? Oh wow, positive outcomes, definitely. The Seas of Minitaka, it's about positive outcomes. So whatever work you have, whatever event you have, everything will be positive. The work, positive work outcomes is going to happen for you guys. So you don't have to worry. So if you are an artist, if you're collaborating with someone and you're feeling that you will not be able to give your best, don't worry, you will be able to give your best. Just let go of that fear, because this will, you know, whatever you're doing, it will give you that positive outcome. With the Seas of Minitaka, that's what, Mintaka, I'm sorry for that. I feel like that. It is going to be positive outcome. Whatever work you're doing, it's going to give you the positive outcome, guys. With this card, that's what Archangel Michael is telling you. And we got that positivity, right? Receive some positive news soon, right? Yes. So you was positive work outcomes. Seeing potential, bringing unconsciousness to light. So I feel like, as I told you, when you go out in nature, things will be crystal clear for you guys. When you quiet your mind, when you don't overthink about things, you will get clarity. For some of you, in case of your relationship also, you might get clarity, like why this person is acting strangely. So you're stressing about it. Instead of stressing, right, what you need to do is to go out, relax, meditate, and you will get the answers very, very, very clearly. It will be given to you. That's what Archangel Michael is telling you. But you need to believe in it, okay? And so what was unconsciousness, right? What you didn't know, you're understanding, right? So that's the thing. You're understanding things. You're seeing things from a different perspective now. The way you viewed yourself is changing, right? So yeah. Let's see what else was the messages from Archangel Michael. I'm hearing red color for some of you. Maybe you have an event and you want to wear red. Go for it. Or maybe other people are telling, don't wear red color, it's so bright. Don't listen to them. What do you feel like, do it. And for others, red is all about happiness, love. Okay, that's what I'm getting. So passion, you're passionate about something or someone, go for it. Speak up guys, speak up. Yeah. Oh wow, light. Yeah, things are coming into light. The things that were hidden are coming out. The truth is out now. You can see very, very clearly. You can see that who you are. You are understanding that you are not the sheep. You're not here to work hard and not get results. No, you're here to work smart and get the result, positive result. Okay, so what you need to do is to be in alignment with spirit. So it's not, we need to work hard, we need to take action, that's necessary. But at the same time, we need to be in alignment with spirit. If you are not aligned with the vibration, whatever we do, we will not get that positive result. So it's important you align yourself with the universe, right? Take a break, relax, and then do the work. Like for example, if you're not able to find something, like we stress and we try for half hour, 1 hour, we try to find it, we don't get it, and then we like, no, I don't want this, and we go to our daily routines, and then the next day when we search, we get it in 5 minutes. It's like that, right? When you force something, it's not going to happen. So don't force, let it go. Let that thoughts, that stress go. Don't force, surrender, and then take action. You will do much better when you're not forcing things. So just attract things. It's about attracting things, not forcing things right now. Okay. And with the snake, definitely you are growing as a person. You're evolving. You're not the you're not the sheep anymore. You have your own identity. In the past, maybe if someone had an opinion, you go with that. Now what you're doing is like you have your own opinion. You don't agree to everything that everyone says, right? You're saying your opinion, you're speaking your truth. So that's where you need to, yeah, you're here to speak your truth. You're not here to go with the herd. Your ideas might be different from others. Maybe people will not accept it at first, but later they will definitely, because your ideas have power. Okay? Move into your true self. Yeah, it's about finding yourself. You were lost somewhere, like nature will help you. Archangel Michael is telling that he is here to help you to find your true identity in some way. If you are feeling lost about your purpose, connect with nature, ask, that's the thing you shall receive. You will receive, I'm sure, with this. And you will feel happy that yes, I asked and finally I know what I have to do. Like if you're doing a project and you're confused what I should do next, I'm just gonna keep it like this, okay? Okay, so it's like, yeah, if you're confused, if you don't know what to do next, ask. You will receive, definitely. If for example, if you have started writing an article and then you're like, what should I do next? What should I write next? You're not getting the words. So just go out, relax in nature, you will get it. You will channel a lot of messages, okay, from spirit. So take help from spirit. You don't have to do everything by yourself. Get in alignment, okay? And whatever you want, your visions, whatever you want to manifest in your life will be manifested. It will come into reality. So don't force things, okay? Just attract. So let's see what else from Archangel Michael. Yeah, message of concern. It's like you're doubting yourself. I feel like, oh my God, she's like, I have so much events. So you're looking at your schedule and you're like stressing. What? Oh, okay. It's not. Let me, 1 second. Wow. I'm sorry for that. I'll just keep it here. So with this message of concerns, what I'm getting is like, you're doubting yourself. Oh, I have so much to do. Like maybe in your work also, I have this list. You're looking at your list and you're feeling very concerned. You're feeling, oh, how will I do everything? Maybe you have a deadline coming out. How will I do that presentation? There is so much to do and you're like stressing. Instead of stressing, just go out, relax. Everything will be okay. You don't have to stress, okay? It's just with this message of concern, what I feel like you are doubting yourself in a way about your work or about your relationship also. Maybe for some of you might get a letter from someone that they are not doing well and you're stressing about it. Don't stress, okay? Don't stress right now. Let that fear go. Stressing will not give you anything. That's what I'm getting here. That's what Archangel Michael is telling. Be brave right now. For some of you, it's like you were preparing for an exam and it was like scheduled for next year. Maybe now they changed the date and it's this year. Now that's why you're stressing. Don't stress. Everything will be okay. Just believe in yourself. So there is a little bit of stress about, some news is coming and you're stressing about it. Oh, you thought that it was like 3 to 4 months late, it was like next year, but it's this year. So maybe it's an event also that you thought it will be like later, but it's in 2 weeks or it's in 3 weeks and you're like stressing about it. Don't stress. You will be okay to do it. I don't know what I said. Sorry for that. Let's see what else. So maybe for some of you it can be a travel opportunity also. You thought that you will get that next year and now you have to go in 2 weeks and you're stressing. Just take that opportunity, grab that opportunity. It's not a message of concern. Actually, it's an opportunity, but because of your overthinking, you're stressing. What I'm not prepared for this. You're stressing like that. Everything will be okay. Positive work outcomes. That's what I'm feeling like. Positive work outcomes, positive, generally positive outcomes, okay? Or maybe you have a checkup, whatever it is. Go for it, don't worry. Wow, look at the card. Wait a second. Wow, wow, wow. Definitely Archangel Michael is here. Look, we have the card. I'm sorry for that. Wait a second. Yeah, look at that. Protected by angels. You're cherished by the angels. You are cherished. Archangel Michael loves you. They are protecting you. They are near you. So if you find feathers, if you see a lot of birds, I feel like it's a sign from Archangel Michael that he is with you. He is helping you to cut that fear and take action. So for some of you, you might receive an opportunity. Oh my God, this exam is in 2 weeks. No, I'm not prepared. I'm not going to give it this year. I'll schedule it for next year. Like, don't do that. Don't do that. Go for it. Don't let your fear take away that opportunity from you, because this is a very good opportunity for some of you. Okay? So he is definitely here. He loves you. I feel like you may call him a lot, and definitely this is a confirmation for you guys that if you're watching this reading, you're meant to watch this reading, and here Archangel Michael is telling you he is definitely here for you guys. And I'm so happy that this card came out. So I know that, yeah, Archangel Michael is here protecting you, definitely. Wow. Okay, we got that. Things are going to happen soon for you guys, okay? So like, if you are waiting for something for so long, I feel like things will happen soon. Yeah, you need to keep the balance with the yin and yang. So for some of you, it's like you procrastinate a lot. Like as I told you, message of concern with this, maybe you're not ready, so you feel like I need more time. So you might be procrastinating something, so don't do that. So, or for some of you, it's like you are in this masculine energy where you work and you don't have time for relaxation at all. So it's important you balance those two energies. Like eating also, your diet, it should be in balance. Everything should be in balance here, Archangel Michael is telling. Your relaxation, your work, everything. Like you cannot work for 18 to 20 hours a day. You need to make a balance. You need to rest also. So if you're working one day, you should take a break, right? So a break is necessary. So if you're studying for 2 hours, take a 15-minute break. So it's very important. In case of your relationship also, overly obsessing over things is not good. You should give them their freedom, let you have their freedom. So everything should be in balance here. And we have number 22. Maybe I told you, you may be seeing 2 2s, and it's like you are going good. Don't worry about things. Don't worry about the outcome. So maybe for some of you, it's also like that. Even before attempting anything, like if you have an exam, before giving the exam, you're like worried about the outcome. What will happen? What will happen? If I'll get it, I'll write. Otherwise, I'm not going to study. No, that's not, it doesn't work like that way, right? So you need to believe it. You need to work for it. You need to imagine that you will get it, and then go and just with confidence give that exam. It's just an example that I'm giving. So whatever your work is, like maybe you have an event, maybe you need to organize something, maybe you are a planner, like you have a marriage coming and you plan for that marriage, go for it. Go for it. You can make your vision a reality, definitely. Okay? So that's the thing. So I'm just going to keep it like this. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Now let's ask tarot. So I'm just going to try to keep it here. Okay. So let's ask tarot. What else? What else is the message from Archangel Michael for you guys right now? Wow, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, go slow. There is no rush. No need to rush anything. Go slow. Everything is going to be stable for you guys. Prepare whatever you have prepared. So keep on preparing. Keep on moving forward. Don't worry about anything. Okay. So maybe for some of you, if you have an exam coming very soon, you have prepared a lot. Don't think that you haven't prepared. You have prepared for that. So whatever work you have prepared. In your relationship also, go slow. There is nothing to rush. Okay, if you don't want to get committed right now, take your time, and then when you feel like, yes, I'm ready to commit, then only commit. Okay, maybe it's a work also. So for some of you, I feel like the work, you have been doing the work, you have been, if you have a passion, you have been doing the work. Believe in yourself, keep on moving forward, because you're doing good. And with this Knight of Pentacles, definitely money is coming your way. Slowly but surely things are going to happen for you guys, slowly but surely. Don't stress. And I feel like Knight of Pentacles is someone who is so stable, who is so grounded, and maybe Archangel Michael is telling you to be grounded. Okay, so that's why we have the tree. Maybe for some of you are not grounded right now, so go out, go near an ocean, because ocean also, maybe for some of you, you have a connection with the ocean. When you are in near a water body, you feel very good, so maybe do that. Go near an ocean, relax, for relaxation, or under a tree. Okay, or if you have a cat, or if you have a dog, spend time with them, or kids. It will be very good for you guys. So you are going slow, but you are going steady in your relationship. Things might be going slow if you're single right now. You're talking to someone, but they haven't committed, like they are not saying that they like you or not. So you're like, what is happening? So that's why they're telling you to speak your truth. Ask, like in a relationship, what you want. If you're already in a relationship, things are not moving the way you want, ask in an understandable manner. So yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Be clear with your intention, with your wishes also. Be clear, very clear. Don't go back and forth with a person, with your work, whatever it is, with your exams. Don't go back and forth. That will not be good. I want to do this, I'm going to do that, do this. Even though I'm not seeing the results right now, I'm going to work for it. That should be the thing. Okay. Wow, look, we have Temperance, balance. As I told you, you need to keep that balance. Yeah, yin and yang, definitely with this Temperance. Angels, definitely, again, angels are near you. Archangel Michael is definitely here. And I'm getting Sagittarius energy for some of you. It's like exploring things, going out. Maybe if you want to travel, go for it. Travel will be very good for you guys. And look, we have 5 of Cups and the Sun. So for some of you, you are disappointed. You're like, right now I feel for some of you feeling like, oh my God, the exam is near, what I will do? Like, oh my God, this person is not committing. You have some sort of disappointment, you're not clear right now. You're not seeing the whole picture right now. And here Archangel Michael is telling, with the Sun, things are going to be very, very clear for you guys, like the Sun. The answers will be loud and clear. If you don't know what you need to do, if you're disappointed in something, if you are crying over spilled milk, don't do that, because things are going to be very, very clear soon. Okay, that's what I feel like. You're so protected. You don't have to worry. The worry energy is there, the disappointed energy. This disappointment will not give you anything. So go out in nature. Yeah, disappointment is a part of life. We all get disappointed. It's okay to be disappointed, right? But don't let that take control over you. Okay, don't let that happen. Before that, go out in nature, relax, right? Things are going to be very clear, and you will be happy with the result. With the Sun and this card, definitely positive outcomes. Wow, guys, we got the Sun again. Double confirmation. Yes, things are going to be. And we have the 6 of Cups. So for some of you in this relationship also, you're going to get clarity. If something is not working, be clear with it. Say it in an understandable manner, what you want from this relationship. Things will be very clear. So don't let that fear stop you from saying the things that you want to say. Like, in this relationship, I expect things to be like this way. This is not working for me. I want this from you. Like, say it clearly, right? So wow, we got the Sun again from a different deck. Wow, definitely positive outcomes for sure. Whatever you're doing in your life right now, whatever you want, that's going to be positive. I feel like it's going to be better than you expected. For some of you, it can be about a career change also, like you're debating whether I should change my career or not, and finally you'll make that change and it will be so positive. So there is a sort of disappointment, and disappointment is a part of life, I feel like that. Oh, we have author. For some of it, it's about, yeah, you want to write a book. For some of you want to write a book, but you are like debating whether I should do. Oh, what if what like should I do it? What if no one likes my book? What if? Let go of that what if and just go and do it, because angels are there for you. They are helping you to do it. Maybe it's a blog that you want to write. Maybe you want to write an article. Go for it. Express yourself. Maybe an Instagram post where you write about things. Something that you need to let it out. Okay, your work, if you are consistent with your work, it will pay off. The result will definitely be, you will get that result what you want. So look at these two cards. She's like sad, now she's so happy. Like, yeah, I did it. I thank God I took action. Like, I didn't give up. Like, that kind of energy I'm getting here. So go for it. Oh, we have healer. With this, I'm getting your healing. For some of you, this is the time to heal the past things, like cut cords of the past, like healing your past. With this, Archangel Michael is here. They are helping you to heal the past, healing your disappointments, believing in yourself again, finding that balance, that peace within yourself. Maybe for some of you have gone through a breakup or something like that, a disappointment there, and finally you are recovering from that. You're finally finding, yeah, thank God this happened, it was for my best. So you're healing yourself, okay? And for others, it's like you have this quality of healing and you're understanding it. Go for it. So you've been asking what I can do, what I am capable of, and you're understanding that you're a healer. For some of you, you are good at it, but then, or maybe you aren't on this path of healing, you know that you're good at it, but then also you doubt. Don't doubt, you have that gift, okay? So maybe for some of you, you are giving medical entrance or something like that. You are applying for an, yeah, you want to get accepted by a university, right, medical, something like that. Believe in yourself. You are here to help people in some way, so believe, don't give up. The sun is going to shine, right? So the sun is going to shine, my guy. I will keep this here. I don't know if you can see the cards, but I'm just gonna, it's a mess, but it's okay. Sometimes we need to find like, what is that I was trying to say? Like, sometimes it's okay to be imperfect, right? Yeah, for some of you, look, spiritual teacher. Maybe for some of you, you will come, you will be scrolling through YouTube and you will find a video that is going to change your perspective. Okay, that is also I'm getting here. Or maybe if you have a seminar or an online class, go for it. Don't skip those. You might change your perspective, okay? Maybe your friend is telling you, come, let's go to this online workshop or something like that. There is a seminar, let's go for it, okay? So let's see. I'm gonna do the charms also. Let's see. Okay, music, yeah. Music, meditation music, like that will help you. And for some of you, if you are into this creative field of music, just believe in yourself, guys. Believe in yourself. Positive work outcomes will be there for you guys. And they are telling you to dance with joy. Everything is okay. Music will heal you. Music is the best medicine. For you guys right now, music is the best medicine, nature is the best medicine, okay? Okay, yeah, play again. You need to play. You're very serious right now. Step outside, feel the sun, breathe the air, play and have some fun, right? Use music, play, dance. Call your friends if there are friends, or if you have a kid, play with them, because kid loves that. Like, they love to play. Play with them. Play with the cards, whatever. It will give you such good energy. Okay. So I'm gonna do the charms also. So let's see. So what Archangel Michael has to say. Okay. Oh wow, we have the unicorn. Yeah, and fairies. Definitely Archangel Michael is there for you. Fairies are there for you. You are getting help from them. That's for sure. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Look, I'm getting like you're getting the key. You're getting the idea. For some of you it's an idea. Yeah, I can do things like this. Even though I don't have time, I have only 2 weeks, but I can do this way and things will be okay, right? So here with this also I feel like they're telling you to move forward. Archangel Michael is telling you to move forward courageously. Don't lose hope. Keep on moving forward. Things are going to be regenerated for you guys. What you lost is just because something better is coming your way. I'm getting that. Okay, don't let this disappointment take you. Okay, yeah, things are going to move forward. Progress, definitely I see progress for you guys. We have WQRE. Yeah, I'm getting, we don't have a K, we don't have a O and K, but definitely I'm getting that work, positive work. And we have EQ. Yes, your EQ is good. For some of you, you understand people, right? You know what you need to say. Like you're a leader, you can help people, you can guide people. So understand that you're very intelligent as well. Okay, let me take some more charms for you guys, and then we will end the reading. Okay, we have Krishna also. Maybe for some of you believe in Krishna. Again, we have tortoise. Go slowly, guys. There is nothing to hurry. Go with the flow of life. Things are going to be okay for you guys. And Krishna is definitely here. For some of you, you believe in Krishna. And yes, he is also with you guys. Your heart center. For some of you, your heart has been recently broken, disappointed. You are going to heal it. You are going to heal your heart. Okay, Archangel Michael is helping you. Yeah, family problems, healing family problems. Maybe your family, in your relationship, you are the one who has to be responsible. You have to take everyone's responsibility, and I feel like you're healing that. Maybe in your childhood also you had to take crap from everyone, responsibility. At a young age you had to deal with a lot of things, but I feel like you're healing that. And you're very responsible people. You are so wise. You're wise than your years. I feel like that, and that's why you're so protected. E and C. Okay, so that's the reading I received for you guys. Hope you like it. Okay, I hope you all take care of yourself and understand things are going to be okay. This disappointment is not forever. You are going to see the sun shining upon you very, very quickly. So play, dance, don't get stressed because you have a lot of things to do. You will be able to complete everything, okay, before the deadline. So yeah, that's it. Take care, guys. Bye bye.